Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Do Not Press the Button. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I'm this Uno. That's a waste of money for a house. That's a lot of damage. I want. I'm thinking. I like train. Train. There's a train. Rest in peace. Aw, no fair. Obby. Why Obby? Why? Why are we still here? Oh, you guys have to hear the music. Did y'all hear it? I don't know. Wait, is that me? 80 coins, not bad. Oh, no fear, he completed it. Wait, what does it say? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, red. I should have gone to yellow. I'm yellow Uno card. I want to stay at red. Because on the back of me, I'm red. I possibly don't have enough time. Oh! I'm going to blue, just because I am blue. No, I'm not actually. See, there's blue right there. Oh, that was so close. I was close to death right there. Oh, okay, what? Again? Really? Why? I swear. Rip. Uh, wah, 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 wah. Y'all are just going to die. Why are they both so tall? Why? I hate everything. Ooh, wait, what's in the shop? Radio. No. Gravity coil. No. Donate. If only I had enough Robux. Ooh, speed coil. Epic duck. Quack. Where's a sweet treat fake gun? Yum. Hot dog. I think the fake gun is good. I bought it. It's too late, man. That felt bad. Why? Bang. Ooh. Oh, there's my hat. There it is. Down into the abyss. Do one. Hello, land. I come in peace. Ooh, coin. My coin! Oh. Boom! What? What? King of knife. Bananas! Oh. No more I like singing. I like dog sing. I like train. Yeah! Rip. The lava rising. Get to the tape. Ah! No! Why? I had my gun. My fake gun. Wait, how are we supposed? You think I'm good at hobbies? I'm laggy a little bit. Okay, maybe not that laggy, but you get it. I know this video is 5 minutes and 10 seconds so far. Time to. Oh wait, no. We are not supposed to click. Why did I spam? Why does it? Oh, we were supposed to press it? Oh. Okay, get away. Wait, that was just Vsauce. That's a YouTube. Oh! Meteors! Asteroids. Ah! The epic face of chill. Dad. Oh wait, I'm still alive. Nice. Okay. I do not. Who likes a burnt Uno card? Because I do not. Wait, this place is safe? I guess I'll just y'all. Are we safe? Oh, and I have a sword. Whoa! I'm going to say what the game is saying. Okay, never mind. Wait. Wah, 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 wah. I heard this song before. Oh. Ooh. Big noob. He's probably a fan of me. Except that he doesn't have the hat. Why would you want to be an Uno card? It's made of paper. Who eats Uno cards? Because that's disgusting. Wait. I'm just saying that. New day, I'm alive. Bananas! We want bananas! Oh my gosh. It said, boo! Sonic speed. Look how far the map is. It's infinite. How big is the map actually? Okay, that's big. What? I'm in the corner. Oh wait, what? Ah! That big chill face. Dead. Oh, that corn is nice. We now so small. Doggies! This meme is dead. Alright. No! No! The beautiful Doge. Ignore that voices. No! Why the obby? Well, I want a hat on my head, so I guess I'm doing it. Can I have shift lock? Please? I just want shift lock. Shift lock, please. Yes. Do I have shift lock? I want shift lock. Why? All my hard work. What's your bonus? Oh. 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 Yay. Big yay. No fair, he pressed it. Uh-oh. Bossy, crazy. Why? I'm the lucky one. I should just... Why? Just why? My life has no purpose now. Wait, can this actually affect those blocks? Wah, wah, wah. It actually affects it! No way! Wait. I'm going to try to make a sunflower. Okay, never mind. There's the flag of the... Boom! That's it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, why am I always the last one? Why am I always the sad one? I'm gonna die. Wah! Wah! How? Oh wait, I thought I survived. Wait, I'm still alive. Haha, noobs. Rivers. Why? Oh. Okay, I got prepared. No, what? Why? My life has no purpose. Flim says that. Okay, I want someone to die from this, please. Oh! I could have perfectly killed that dude. But because I was unlucky, so I did not. My laser! We've got a big YouTuber. Oh, no! Why? What? What? Why? Just why? I guess I'll just wrap it up for today's video. Hope y'all had a peaceful and good night. Okay, peace out. Bye, big boys. Noob.